Pleasant morning, children. Happy to see you all again. Today, we are going to discuss the remaining activity in the chapter From Market to Home. Some fun with vegetables. You people like to eat vegetables? Ha! I have seen some students were wasting the vegetables. This is not fair, children. You have to eat vegetable. This is good for your health. Okay, let us move into the activity. The next time when you get okra bean tea, what does mean by okra? Lady's finger. At home, look at them carefully. All of the same size. So next time when you get lady's finger, you are going to check whether all the lady's finger are in the same size. Okay, if it is yes, write yes near to them. If it is no, write no. Okay, next find the longest and the shortest one and measure them. Okay, so you are going to find the longest and the small lady's finger among which you have brought. Okay, and you are going to measure it. Okay, you just write the measurement near to the longest and to the shortest. Okay, and the next question, do all the lady's finger, that is okra, have the same thickness and color? You have to cut it and you have to see the next thing, cut lady's finger in the lengthwise. So you have to be very careful while cutting that. Do both of them have the same number of seeds? Draw them in your notebook. So it is a drawing activity. It is very much interesting. Okay, here you are going to check the thickness and the color. Okay, some it will be like light greenish color and some it will be dark green. So color patterns may get vary. Okay, so that you are going to observe and you are going to write it in your notebook. Okay, and the next you are going to check the seeds. How many seeds are there? Okay, whether it is after cutting, whether the number of seeds are both in same side, check it out. Okay, and Seema's mother has bought some fruits and vegetables from the market. Can you find them in this picture? Color them and write their name alongside. So this is here you can able to see the cluster of fruits and vegetables were dumped here. So here you are going to give color. Yeah, get ready with your color pencils. So you are going to give color and you are going to find the fruit and vegetable and write their name separately. Okay, this is your activity. And next, find out. Given here is a list of vegetables and fruits. Which of these will spoil earlier and which will stay for some days? Write the name in the correct column. You can add more names in the list. Okay, so here the question is, the list is given below. Okay, among that, so which will get spoiled quickly and which will spoil late? Okay, it will take some days, no? So that you are going to list out. I'm reading out the list: spinach, potato, banana, tomato, pear, chiku, pineapple, gourd, onion, cabbage, cucumber, grapes, ginger. So here is your column, fruits and vegetables that spoil quickly. So you have to mention it in the pink color box, and which will stay for long time, that has to be mentioned in the blue color box. So apart from this, you know, some other vegetables and fruits you can mention it also. Okay, and next activity, you are going to find the vegetables and the fruits whether they are having the smooth side or else the rough skin. Okay, so that is their peel. Okay, so whether they are having their smooth or rough outer cover. Okay, so the same list you can use and you can differentiate, that is you can write in that column. If it is smooth, you have to write all the vegetables and fruits name. If it is rough, you have to mention it in under the topic rough. Okay, yes, next thing, which vegetable do you find the heaviest to carry? Write its name and draw its picture in your notebook. So which vegetable will be weight to carry? If you have moved to market along with your parents, you would have known that, right? So it will be very heavy to carry, no, which will have the more weight. So that vegetable you are going to write, and you have to draw that in your notebook. Next question, which is the lightest fruit or vegetable that you have eaten? Write its name and draw the picture in your notebook. So now it is the lightest, that is a light in weight fruit or vegetable. You have to write the name and you have to draw the picture in the notebook. And next question, write names of 3 vegetables which do not have seeds. So all the fruits and all the vegetables, they have the seeds inside, right? So here they are asking the vegetable. Name 3 vegetables which do not have seeds in them. Okay, find out and write. Next thing, fill in the blanks. Okay. So here they have given some features like color, length, weight and price. So for this you have to contact your parents. Okay, with the help of your parents you can write about the price. So if you see the apple, the color of the apple, so you can see in many colors like red, green apple is also there. Okay, so mention the color. Length, so how much length, you have to measure it. Okay, and banana, so what color of banana? So banana, it is in red, green as well as in the yellow. Okay, and the length you have to measure it. And potato, the color of the potato, what color it will be, and the length, and the price. Okay, you can collect this from your home itself, and remaining 3 boxes it is given, you have to fill whichever fruits and vegetables it is available in your home, no, so that thing you can write it here. And next, take so you are going to talk with the vegetable seller in your area. Okay, we are going to collect his information. First thing, you are going to collect their name. Okay, what is his or her name? Okay, and how many people are there in their house, how many children are there at home. Okay, so if you have found a person, you have to ask about their family. Okay, so how many members and how many children. Okay, what are the names of the children and how old are they? So their name and their age, you have to ask them and you have to mention it here. Who all help in the work of selling vegetable? So your question is next, you have to ask who are the persons will help them in their work. Okay, so that you have to ask them and you have to write it. Who all stay with the vegetable cart or sit in the shop? If it is in the shop or else in the cart, who will be there for selling vegetable? So that has to be asked. And what vegetable do they sell? So if you see, some people will be selling particular vegetables alone, so some other people will be selling all the vegetables. So you have to count the vegetables, how many vegetables, and for examples you can write the name also. And next, what time do they start work? So at what time they start their work? Okay, yes, for how many hours in the day they work? So from morning to night, so how many hours they will work? So that you have to mention, and ask them about any 3 vegetables that they sell. So here they have given the box like name of the vegetable, price of the vegetable, where does it come from. So it can be cultivated in their land or else they are buying it from some other place, that you have to ask them. How much of vegetables do they buy at one time? Okay, if a thing they are buying a vegetables means how much vegetables they will buy. So that thing you have to mention. And in which month does this vegetable usually come? So each vegetables they will have the season, right? So in which season this particular vegetables will come. Okay, so that you have to get it from the vegetable seller. So this is your final activity. Okay, thank you children, we will meet in the next session.